Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Kane's Auto in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2014 Audi S6 Prestige. This has the 4-liter twin-turbo V8. My foot. "93 degrees out." Man, it's warm. All right. Let's go ahead, put it into drive. Sport. We're in dynamic mode, but let's go ahead, take her for a drive. Now, normally I'll try to shut the vents off, but you're gonna have to excuse me. It's way too hot to have this thing on the low blower mode. That is impressive. Now, stepping out of the RS7, yeah, it's not gonna feel as quick. I believe this uses the same basic motor as the RS7, just detuned a little bit. I think this makes around 430, 420 horsepower. Nice ventilated seats. This example is actually, I believe, a one-owner example from new, which is pretty cool. You can definitely tell this is an Autobahn cruiser, where it will just sit at normal highway speeds for hours. And then it has more than enough torque. You realize you have a half mile to your exit and you're in the wrong lane. So honestly, stepping out of the RS7, it's not going to be the full-on performance car that car is, even though it's based on, I believe, the same exact platform. But still plenty of torque and power from this twin-turbo V8. And it is an Autobahn cruiser, for sure. With that, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.